Tired of squinting at your phone screen while battling it out in Brawl Stars? Let's unleash the chaos on your PC with an emulator. First, head over to BlueStacks' official website, a popular and reliable Android emulator. Look for the prominent download button and give it a click. Once the download is complete, launch the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Be patient. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After the installation, you'll be greeted by the BlueStacks home screen. Now, locate and click on the Google Play Store icon. In the Play Store search bar, type in Brawl Stars and hit enter. Find the official Brawl Stars game by Supercell. Click on the install button and wait for the game to download and install within the emulator. This process is exactly like installing it on your phone. Once installed, click the open button and get ready for some big screen Brawl Stars action. The game should launch smoothly within BlueStacks. Configure your keyboard and mouse controls in the BlueStacks settings for optimal gameplay, and that's it. You are now ready to dominate the Brawl Stars arena on your PC. Good luck, and have fun.